Welcome to Etns Solutions Private Limited, where vision meets innovation and technology meets transformation. Founded in 2016, ETN began as a visionary idea, and today it stands as a fast-growing force in banking and financial technology, driven by secure, scalable, and intelligent solutions. From the heart of Odisha to the business corridors of the UAE and MENA region, Etns Solutions Private Limited is redefining what it means to be a modern IT powerhouse. Our mission? To deliver cutting-edge, enterprise-grade technology while fostering global growth, job creation, and digital empowerment. Our vision? To be the world's most trusted name in payment innovation, where every click, swipe, and transaction reflects security, intelligence, and simplicity. And our goal is unwavering: to exceed expectations, consistently innovate, and become a publicly listed brand synonymous with excellence, integrity, and impact. With over 25 domain experts and a legacy of trusted delivery, ETN Solutions builds the digital engines behind card management systems that connect seamlessly with Visa, MasterCard, RuPay, and more. Reconciliation platforms that reduce time to close by 40% and revolutionize compliance for banks. Loyalty and rewards ecosystems that gamify engagement and power digital brand experiences. Education and healthcare platforms designed to digitize operations, improve access, and protect sensitive data. And consumer card solutions that turn everyday transactions into personalized journeys. But ETN is more than just products. We deliver secure, scalable, and intelligent platforms built to power the global digital economy. We are more than a tech company. We are architects of digital transformation, product development, fintech and payment solutions, cloud infrastructure, AI, ML, and data analytics, IT staff augmentation, with a robust portfolio that spans infrastructure consultancy, on-site and off-site IT services, custom software and web development, application testing, and enterprise architecture consulting. That is all about ETN Solutions. If you find it interesting, contact us to know more. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for latest updates. You can call or WhatsApp us on following number. Visit our website to know more about us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.